Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nisha, and today I found an oldie but goodie. Here I am cleaning up the kids' room after having guests over for Christmas, and the front room got pretty messy, so I moved everything to their room. Bad idea. No, Nisha. So here I am reaping the benefits of it. The kids got up in here, other kids, family members came up in here, they just started tearing up the place. So basically what I'm doing here, I'm going to clean up their room, opening up any gifts that they have not completely opened out of the packaging, putting the toys off in a trash bag to be moved to the front to be put in their toy castle, and properly disposing of the paper and cardboard and also plastic in another bag that I had to hold for an entire week to be recycled, which sucked. But I mean, hey, I'm a mama and I got it done. But anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's really just me cleaning up their room, kind of tidying it up, especially at night because it was like 8:30, close to their bedtime, and this mama was wore out, y'all. So if you do enjoy these type of videos, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads. I kind of hate that I wasn't able to make a video of what I got my kids for Christmas, but just know that I did spoil my babies this year. We celebrated Christmas at our house this year, so family came over and we enjoyed ourselves like tremendously. The kids enjoyed opening up the gifts and everything that they had. They oohed and ah, even though I have a 4-year-old, a 2-year-old, and a 1-year-old. So y'all, they were just excited, all the wrapping paper, and then just seeing familiar characters that they're just used to seeing. But yeah, we definitely enjoyed our day this day. But yeah, this was a lot of stuff. I started regretting a whole bunch of stuff after opening all these packages later on that evening. But I mean, as long as my babies love it, then I love it.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on
thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm just picking up the rest of this trash before I go ahead and get it put to the side so I can get ready for trash day. But if you guys are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up so I know to make more like this. And I'll talk to you all in my next video.